The forward dashboard provides insights on the network complexity, the health of the network, and on the improvements made by the team to make the network healthier. With the forward dashboard, senior leaders can establish targets and set goals that aim at improving the overall network reliability and correctness on a regular basis. The insights provided in the initial release can be found in the new dashboard page. In the Network Complexity tab, you can find insights on device models, OS versions, device by type, number of links, number of configuration lines, number of VLANs, and number of VRFs. The Network Verification tab provides insight on passive and failing active checks, devices with and without failures, and violation by check type. In the Devices Model pane, you can see at a glance how many devices of the same model are present in the network, grouped by vendor and platform. In this network, there are 88 models, most of them are Cisco devices. You can restrict the graph to a single vendor by clicking on the vendor name. In this other network, there are 8 models that range from Arista and Juniper devices to AWS, Azure, and VMware infrastructures. You can see the selected devices in the inventory page by clicking on the link provided. The OS version pane provides insights on the total number of network operating systems in use and the distribution in the given network, grouped by vendor. The ability to select a single vendor as well as link to the inventory page is provided here as well. In the Device by Type pane, you can find the total number of devices in the network and its distribution by device type. In this fairly large network of roughly 13,000 devices, most of them are routers, with some load balancer and firewalls. In the other network, there is a very low number of devices, but a more homogeneous distribution of device types that includes several Azure, AWS, and VMware device types. The Network Complexity tab provides some insights on key complexity metrics like the total number of links in the network, the number of configuration lines, the number of VLANs, and the number of VRFs. It provides the variation of those metrics in the last 30 days, as well as links to the topology and inventory pages. Moving to the Network Verification tab, the Active Checks pane provides an historical view of the forward checks configured in the Verify application. You can select the graph by checks passing or failing and see how many they changed over time. In the Model Device pane, you can find how many devices were successfully collected or how many failed during the collection. Finally, in the Violation by Check Type pane, you can select the 4 different checks from the drop-down menus and see how many of them failed. In summary, Forward Dashboard provides insights on the network complexity, the health of the network, and on the improvements made over time. It helps network teams improving the overall network reliability and correctness. Thanks for watching.